Staying motivated while building an emergency fund can be challenging. Here are some tips to keep you on track. Visualize your goal. Picture the peace of mind and security you'll have once your emergency fund is complete. Set milestones. Break your goal into smaller milestones and celebrate each achievement. Join a community. Engage with online personal finance communities on forums like Reddit's r Personal Finance, or join Facebook groups focused on financial planning. Follow personal finance influencers. Subscribe to YouTube channels and follow influencers like The Financial Diet, Graham Stephan, and Dave Ramsey for continuous inspiration and tips. Emergency fund versus other savings. An emergency fund should be prioritized over other types of savings for several reasons. Liquidity. Emergency funds need to be easily accessible. Investments or retirement accounts, while important, are not as liquid and may incur penalties for early withdrawal. Risk management. Having a dedicated emergency fund reduces the need to dip into other savings or incur debt during a crisis.